Why are some people always looking put together and glowing while others struggle to get that fresh and flawless look? The secret? It's not just about good genes or a healthy bank account. It's about a smart lifestyle. And ladies, you can get that $1 million glow without breaking the bank. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll give you a detailed step-by-step guide on how to glow up, female style, without burning a hole in your pocket. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll not miss our future glow up guides and beauty secrets. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Nutrition and fitness. Did you know that the phrase, "you are what you eat," is scientifically accurate? A diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats can miraculously impact your skin, hair, and overall health. Your body is a complex machine that needs balanced fuel to function at its best. So, how about starting with a homemade green smoothie for breakfast? It's cheaper than store-bought, packed with nutrients, and guess what? It's delicious too. I've put some of my favorite recipes in the description below. For fitness, you don't need an expensive gym membership. Home workouts can be just as effective. Try bodyweight exercises, yoga, or a dance workout video on YouTube. Regular exercise helps tone your body and releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that naturally make you glow. Intriguing. Step 2. Skin and hair care. Next comes skincare. I hear ya. Isn't skincare expensive? Not necessarily. Brands like CeraVe, Cetaphil, and The Ordinary offer affordable products that work. Check out our recommendations in the description below. And remember, regular exfoliation and hydration are the keys to radiant complexion. For hair care, it's all about keeping things simple. A good silicone-free shampoo, a nourishing conditioner, and a hair mask occasionally are all you need. And yes, you can create effective hair masks right at home using kitchen staples like honey, eggs, and olive oil. Everyone's hair and skin type are different, so it's all about finding what works for you. It takes a bit of trial and error, but once you hit that sweet spot, you'll be amazed at the results. Oh, and go nowhere. More amazing tips are coming up for your glow-up journey. Step 3. Attire and fashion. Style's not about owning the most expensive brands, but it is about understanding your body type, knowing what colors suit you, and expressing your personality. Invest in classic pieces that can be combined to create different looks. And yes, thrift stores can be treasuring troves for good quality, unique, and affordable finds. Can you thread a needle? Then you can make your clothes fit better. You'd be surprised at how simple alterations can completely transform your look. It's a game changer, trust me. Step 4. Mental health. Finally, talk about your mental health, a vital aspect of any glow up. All of the external efforts will only matter if you feel good inside. Daily meditation, a good night's sleep, regular digital detox, and pursuing hobbies that make you happy are just as important as your skincare routine. Can you imagine how powerful these small lifestyle changes could be? Step 5. Developing self-confidence. The road to glowing up isn't about the physical. It's about cultivating confidence. Recognize your value as an individual. You are unique, and that is your strength. Start the day by saying something kind to yourself, complimenting your appearance, or admiring your resilience. Stand tall, make eye contact, and carry yourself with poise. Revising your wardrobe can breathe new life into your style too. Donate clothes you haven't worn in a year, and curate your wardrobe with pieces that make you feel good about yourself. Remember, when you look good, you feel good. Step 6. Fashion tips for saving money. Believe it or not, you can glow up without blowing up your bank account. Thrift shopping can be a treasure trove of affordable and unique clothing pieces. Shopping secondhand isn't just budget-friendly, it's also sustainable. Taking care of the clothes you already have is another way to save money. Learn to do basic repairs, follow washing instructions, and properly store your clothes to extend their life. Accessories are like the cherry on top of a sundae. They complete your look, and why not pick up a new skill? Learning to sew can allow you to alter clothes for a better fit or even create your clothes from scratch. Step 7. Creating a routine that works. Let's talk about consistency, the secret sauce in any successful glow-up journey. It isn't about going out for a few days and forgetting your goals. Glowing up is about implementing routines that synchronize with your lifestyle and diligently sticking to them. Think about this. What's your skincare routine? Have you figured out a regimen that keeps your skin nourished and glowing, or consider your exercise routine? Regular physical activity does not just contribute to a fit body, it's also linked to better mental health. And remember a balanced diet. The food you eat has a direct impact on your skin, your energy levels, and your overall health. Sleep is another crucial aspect of your routine. Did you know that insufficient sleep can lead to weight gain, a dull complexion, and various health problems? Yes, catching enough Z's is not just about feeling rested, it's about holistic wellness. Let's pause for a moment here because there is more exciting stuff coming up. You want to take advantage of the next steps in this glow up journey, so stay tuned. Step 8. The benefits of a positive attitude. Mindset matters. If there's one phrase encapsulating a glow up's philosophy, this is it. Adopting a positive mindset can bring about transformational changes in your life. Positive affirmations can serve as powerful tools to shift your mental landscape. Start your day with a reaffirming thought like, I am enough just the way I am. Or, today, I choose joy. Make these affirmations a part of your morning routine and observe the change in your attitude throughout the day. Each step you take towards your goal deserves recognition. Learn to acknowledge your efforts. It's a beautiful way of practicing self-love. Lastly, unconditional self-love and acceptance are vital to your glow-up journey. Understand that it is okay to have flaws, it is okay to stumble, and it's okay to be imperfect. Because natural beauty lies in authenticity, and courage is being who you are. Remember, the power to glow begins from within you, so believe in yourself, embrace positivity, and get ready to glow like never before. Step 9. Achieving personal growth through education and knowledge. A Glow Up Guide discusses the transformative power of education and knowledge. Empowering yourself with knowledge can give you confidence, authenticity, and wisdom, contributing to a unique and enduring glow that is hard to ignore. We're not just referring to formal schooling when we talk about education. We mean lifelong learning in any area that ignites your curiosity and passion. This could be books, online courses, seminars, documentaries, podcasts, endless resources. The more you learn, the more you realize how much there is to know. And this humility can be genuinely illuminating. Educating yourself about the world around you can enhance your understanding, foster empathy, and make you a more well-rounded individual. Plus, it adds depth to your conversations, making you a person others love to be around. So, let's celebrate knowledge, not just the kind that helps you pass exams, but the kind that helps you better understand yourself and the world around you. The kind that makes you grow, evolve, and truly glow. Remember, a mind stretched by new experiences can never return to its old dimensions. So, keep learning, keep growing, keep glowing. Glowing up is not just a transformation, it's a journey toward becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, every step you take towards this journey is a step towards self-love and acceptance. And there you have it, ladies, our ultimate step-by-step female glow-up guide. We hope you find these tips helpful. If you have any glow-up secrets, share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might need a glow-up boost. Stay tuned for more tips, and until then, keep glowing. Remember, no matter your budget, there's always a way to glow up. Because at the end of the day, the best glow up is becoming the woman you're proud to be. Stay beautiful.